Hello, and welcome to another Paybox Timer website navigation video. Today, we're looking at the revenue report. The revenue report is the fifth tab on our portal, and it's a comprehensive overview of all of our active Paybox machines. On the left, we can see all of our devices. And as we move across the screen, we can see the labels for those devices, as well as our associated landlords, and our complete total runtime of our machines. And the reason we're all here, the total revenue. And this, of course, displays the total revenue generated by each of your Paybox machines. And lastly, we have the date that our coin boxes were activated. And that was an overview of our revenue report. For more information, you can visit us at limitedresources.us, payboxtimer.com, or give us a call at 1-647-931-1829. Thank you very much, and have a great day.